Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to access your media gallery through the PlayStation app. First, open the PlayStation app on your smartphone or tablet. Next, you will need to log in with your PlayStation Network account details. It is crucial that your PlayStation console is already linked to this account. This connection allows the app to retrieve your game captures directly from your console, making your gaming moments readily available right in your hand. Once you are logged into the app, look for the Game Captures section. This is usually prominently displayed on the main home screen, making it easy to find. Tapping on this section will open your personal gallery of gaming moments. You will see all the screenshots and video clips that you have saved directly from your PlayStation console, organized for your convenience. Inside the Game Captures section, you can easily browse through all your saved media. Everything is neatly organized by the game it came from, making it simple to find specific moments. Just tap on any screenshot or video clip to view it in full detail. From there, you have the option to share your favorite gaming achievements directly to various social media platforms with just a few taps. Here are some important tips for managing your media. Remember that your game captures are available in the app for 14 days after they are created on your console. To ensure seamless access, enable automatic uploads on your PlayStation console. This will automatically sync your captures. For permanent storage, simply download your favorite screenshots and video clips directly to your mobile device.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.